Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Dynasty Warriors Overlords game crashing or not working, keep stopping, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or several other issues on iPhone. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to offload the app of the game. So for that you have to go to settings. After that you have to go below, click on general option. After that click on iPhone storage. Here you have to select the game, click on it, and after that you have to click on offload app and then click on offload. So this will clear the cache of the app. After that you have to install it and try to play it. If it doesn't resolve the problem, go back. This time check if the game needs any kind of update. For that go to the app store and the search option, search for the game, that is Dynasty Warriors Overlords, and here you have to check if any update is available. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that try to log into the game once again and check if you can play it. If not, next is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you are using Wi-Fi, you can go to mobile data or do vice versa, or even you can enable airplane mode for some time and again disable it, and after that check if the game is launching or working properly or not. If not, you should check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. For that go to settings. From here you have to click on general. After that click on software update, and here you have to check if any update is available. If yes, you have to update your iOS version to the latest one, and after that try to launch the game and play it. If it also doesn't resolve the problem, then you are suggested to install a VPN app so that you can play the game hassle free. For that you can go to Apple Store and in the search option search for VPN apps. Lots of VPN apps will be available. Install any one of it, and after that log into it, change the location, and now try to log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, then you should restart your device once. So after following all the other methods, you should restart your device once and then check. So for that you have to go to settings. After that go to general, go below. Here you can see shutdown option. Simply click on it. Your phone will restart, and after your phone restarts, now check if you can play the game. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. So for that you have to click and hold the game icon. After that click on remove app option and then click on delete app. So and finally click on delete. So this will delete the game completely from your device. After that go to the App Store. Here you have to search for Dynasty Warriors Overlords game and then click on the download or get option, and after the game is once again reinstalled, now try to play the game and check if it's working. So that's all for now in this video.